Hi everyone, I am Srisa. This is your fifth lesson in grade 3 social science. Today's chapter is Weather and Seasons. Before we start our today's topic, shall we learn your new words? Constant. Constant means something that does not change. Something that does not change. Atmosphere, a mixture of air and other gases that surround the earth. A mixture of air and other gases that surround the earth. Duration, a time period through which something lasts. A time period through which something lasts. Chill, a feeling of being cold. Chill, a feeling of being cold. Slanting, sloping, not straight. Sloping, not straight. Water vapor, gaseous form of water. Water vapor, gaseous form of water. Frequent, something that happens often. Something that happens often. Gale, very strong wind. Gale, very strong wind. Storm, a condition of weather with heavy rain and strong winds. A condition of weather with heavy rain and strong winds. Before we start our today's topic, let us have a small discussion about weather and seasons. Weather is the daily state of the atmosphere or air in any given place. Climate is the average of weather conditions in an area over a long period. The weather is important to people. Weather is the state of the atmosphere describing, for example, the degree to which it is hot or cold, wet or dry, calm or stormy, clear or cloudy. Seasons. As the year passes, regular changes occur in the weather. The seasons are 4 different times during the year with different types of weather. This cycle of weather changes is divided into 4 parts, known as the seasons. They are spring, summer, autumn, and winter, and are caused by the Earth's orbit around the Sun, its rotation of its axis, and its tilt. Now we are going to see our today's topic is weather. We often come across the term weather when we read the newspaper or watch the news, and sometimes even in everyday conversation. Weather is the atmospheric condition of a place at a particular time. It determines whether it is hot or cold, rainy or sunny, or windy or snowy. Weather may change from place to place, time to time, day to day, or season to season. It may rain one day and the next day may be bright and sunny. We may enjoy pleasant sunny weather on some days, while on others we may feel hot and uncomfortable. Weather is the combination of temperature, moisture, and air present in a particular place. When the weather of a place remains constant over a long period of time, it is called the climate of that place. Temperature. The temperature of a place tells us whether it is hot or cold. A place is known to be hot or cold depending upon the heat it gets from the sun. The days are usually hotter than the nights. Temperature also reduces as we go high up the mountains. Air. Air is also around us. We cannot see it or touch it, but we can feel it when it moves. Air also contributes to the change in the weather. There are different types of air. Wind. Moving air is known as wind. When the sun shines, it heats up the air around the land and the warm air goes up. The cool air rushes to take its place. This movement of air causes the wind to blow. Gale. Sometimes the wind blows very fast. It is known as a gale. Breeze. When the wind blows very gently, it is called a breeze. Storm. Sometimes when the wind moves strongly and it rains very heavily, we call it a storm. A storm can cause damage. It can damage buildings, houses, and even break off the branches of trees. Hurricanes, typhoons, and tornadoes are very big storms that cause large scale damage to life and property. Moisture. Moisture is the water vapor in air. Moisture also affects weather conditions. When the amount of moisture in the air increases, we feel uncomfortable. At the same time, moisture also causes rainfall or snowfall. Importance of weather. Weather affects the way we live, the clothes we wear, the food we eat, and the activities we do also get affected by it. On a hot day, we like to eat ice creams and cold drinks and like to wear light colored clothes. But on a cold day, we may like to have some hot dishes. Weather also affects our health and well-being. Weather affects the plants and different crops. Plants lose their water rapidly during hot weather. During rain, plants get large amounts of water and therefore look healthier. Now I have a plan to give you the practice zone. Refer your concept book in the page number of 61 and answer the following questions. Practice zone 1. Fill in the blanks. Your first question is, Dash is an example of a big storm that causes large scale damage to life and property. Dash is an example of a big storm that causes large scale damage to life and property. Your second question is, the days are usually dash than the nights. The days are usually dash than the nights. Your third question is, the wind that blows gently is called a dash. The wind that blows gently is called a dash. Your fourth question is, the water vapor present in the air is called dash. The water vapor present in the air is called dash. Your fifth question is, during hot weather, plants lose dash rapidly. During hot weather, plants lose dash rapidly. I hope that you all enjoyed our today's class. I'll see you in my next class. Thank you.